Presenting the Honeywell Turbo Force Air Circulator, featuring a blade design that creates less noise and turbo force power that can be felt up to 30 feet away. The Turbo Force Air Circulator is ideally suited for medium to large rooms. To set up, be sure the control knob is in the off position. Place the fan on a dry, level surface and plug directly into an electrical outlet. Turn the control knob to your desired fan.
Hey guys, I'm here to introduce to you the brand new Mardas desk fan. With its very simple and easy to use design, it's not only flexible, lightweight and robust, it's very handy when you're working in the office, especially when it's really hot and you really need some cool air. The easy to use function only has two buttons. One for controlling the strength of the fan, and two to make it even cooler. Make sure you add extra water when you're using this function. You can also put ice in to make it colder. Oh, it's so good. When using the extra cool setting, make sure you have the drip tray open to allow any excess water to drip down. In conclusion, the Mardas desk fan is a must-have for the office space. I recommend it highly and definitely worth having. Thanks.